If you want to upscale photos in Photoshop without losing detail, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most recommended way to enlarge an image using Photoshop's Generative Upscale feature. This is perfect for fixing low-resolution photos, preparing images for print, or making a picture sharper and bigger without the usual blurry or smeared look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to upscale. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your photo from your computer. Once the image is open, take a quick look at the resolution so you know what you're starting with. This helps you understand how much bigger the image needs to become. Now, with your image open, go up to the top menu and click Image. From there, look for Generative Upscale. This is the feature that uses AI to enlarge your photo while trying to preserve the important detail in the image. Instead of just stretching pixels like older methods, Photoshop uses generative technology to create a cleaner, more natural-looking result. After selecting Generative Upscale, Photoshop will give you a few options. One of the main choices is the AI model. In many cases, you may see a model like Firefly Upscaler. If that option is available, it's the one you'll want to use for a high-quality upscale. Next, choose your scale. You can usually go with 2x or 4x, depending on how large you want the final image to be. If you only need a moderate boost in size, 2x is a safe choice. If you need a much larger version for printing or detailed design work, 4x may be the better option. If your photo contains a person or any kind of portrait, turn on face recovery if that option is available. This is especially useful for selfies, headshots, and close-up portraits because it helps Photoshop restore and sharpen facial features during the upscale process. It can make a big difference in keeping eyes, skin texture, and facial edges looking more natural. Once you've selected the model, scale, and any additional options, click Upscale. Photoshop will now process the image. Depending on the size of the file and your computer's performance, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to work. When it's finished, Photoshop will open the enlarged version in a brand new document. That means your original image stays untouched, which is great because you can always compare both versions side by side. Now you can inspect the result carefully. Zoom in and check the details, especially around edges, skin, text, or fine textures. If the image looks good, you're done. If you want, you can continue editing from here, save the upscale as a new file, or make further refinements for print, social media, or web use. A quick tip. When upscaling photos in Photoshop, always start with the best original image you have. The better the source photo, the better the AI-generated upscale will look. Also, don't overdo the enlargement unless you really need to. Sometimes 2x gives you a more natural result than jumping straight to 4x. So that's how to upscale photos in Photoshop using Generative Upscale. It's fast, simple, and a huge time saver when you need larger images without sacrificing quality. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.